In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Draw Tool tile in NinjaTrader. Now to do this, first you want to open a chart and you want to right click anywhere you want and click on Indicators. In here, inside Indicators, go to Search up top and type in Draw. Now, by default, you should already be able to see kind of the drawing tools, but if you don't, just go and type in Draw, and you'll find Drawing Tool tile. You want to click on it and click on Add, or just double click on here, and it's going to get added to your chart. Then here you have the properties. I'm going to keep these as they are and hit the Apply button, and then OK. Now, as you can see, this is going to give us the Drawing Tool tile, which is over here, and if you click on the three dots, you can move it around and place it wherever you want to have it, okay? And then once you've done that, you can of course go and use these things in here inside this tool tile. So I'm actually going to go and first use this one, which is the line. You can click and you can of course go ahead and draw it. So when you click for the first time, it's going to start. When you click for the second time, it's going to go and place. Now, if you click on it, once it's placed, you can then also go and kind of move it around. You can change it, you can like relocate it, etc. And that's how to place a line, okay? So that's the first way to do this. Then you can also right click, you can copy it, remove it, send it to back, and do whatever you want with it. So once you've done this, you can also use this one, which is the Fibonacci retracement. If you click, you can just click wherever you want and then drag and click again, and that's going to be your fib retracement, okay? Again, you can do the same thing. Click to move it, right click, copy, remove, whatever. Here you have the option of this ray over here, which you can also use, so you can put this ray anywhere you want. And I'm going to actually remove this one to clear this. Then you have this one, which is called the Fibonacci extensions. Same thing, you click and you click again, and it's going to give you these Fibonacci extensions. So this is just like a combo of clicks. It's going to allow you to do all of these. Then you have this extended line, which of course you can also use wherever you want, just like that. It's like a simple line. You have this circle or ellipse, as they call it, which you first have to click, and then you have to drag it out, and then you have to click again to actually place an ellipse wherever you want, okay? Now, holding down, of course, a Shift or Control key over here is not going to make it perfect, so it's just like up to you to actually kind of draw it how you want, okay? So those are kind of the ways to do this, okay? So you can just go and, of course, place it however you want, and that's going to kind of show it on your screen like that. Then you have this button, which is going to be the horizontal line, which you can click to get a horizontal line, and this one is going to be the vertical. Then you have this one, of course, which is going to be a basic rectangle. You can click and drag and click again, and you can of course kind of use it, move it around, double click on it to actually change it, etc. And then from here you can also go and use this thing, which is called text. You can click and you can type in any text you want, and it's going to get popped on here. Now you can double click all of these. You may also have to click on the borders, not inside, because it may not work, but that's going to open up the drawing object properties, where you can then go and change colors, different settings, and whatnot, okay? But that's essentially how to use Draw Tool tile in NinjaTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.